Hello there! This video shows how to program ESP32 chip-based microcontroller in Visual Studio Code. In order to do that, I'm gonna use ESP32 Feather version 2 board from Adafruit. Let's launch Visual Studio Code. We need an extension for Arduino, but using Arduino extension will not help us. It is not going to work. So throw it away. We need PlatformIO extension. It will also install C++ extension. Click Install. We also need serial monitor. Install it. And we need drivers for Adafruit Feather version 2 board. These drivers are available to download. The links are available on Adafruit website. They have guides on installing these drivers for Mac and Windows, and for Linux they are already built into Linux kernel. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code, and here on the left panel you see PlatformIO icon, and in PlatformIO extension I click Create New Project, again. The name of the project could be anything. The board will be ESP Adafruit Feather ESP32 version 2, and framework is Arduino. Now it created the project. In PlatformIO file, it is necessary to add these lines. Otherwise, serial monitor will print garbage. I save this file and I go to src folder and open up main.cpp file. The program consists of two functions, setup and loop. Setup function initializes everything and it runs only once. After that, the loop function starts to run and it runs forever. I'm going to replace this code with the code that you see now. This code will just flash an LED. Now I'm ready to upload my program to the board. To do that, I'm going to use USB Type-C cable. I'm connecting this cable to my computer and to the board. Now I'm ready to upload the program to the board. I'm going to use this icon at the bottom of the Visual Studio Code integrated development environment. It compiles the program and writes it to the board. It should show success message. Now let's see the result. And this is how it works on a physical board. I can also connect to the board using serial monitor. Okay, we see it prints some messages. Now let's make this device to do useful work, like measuring humidity or temperature. To measure humidity or temperature, I'm gonna use a sensor, and I'm gonna connect it through I2C bus through Stemma QT or Qwiic cable. Now let's create new project and call it sensor. Board is again ESP32 version 2, framework Arduino. In this project, in PlatformIO file, I need these lines. The last 3 lines add the necessary libraries to this project. Let's go to the main source file, main CPP, and let's replace our default code with this code. Assuming that the sensor is connected and the device is connected to USB port, let's compile and upload the program to the device. Compilation is successful, so now let's start serial monitor and see how it works. And here it is, it prints data. Time passed in milliseconds, humidity and temperature. More practical approach requires programming Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and using this device in a remote location without USB Type-C cable, powering this device through a battery. Writing code for Bluetooth, so to read Bluetooth data, is a topic for a different video. And for this video, that's all. Thank you for watching.